Hello class, in this video I will show you how to fill out the peer feedback form for your group projects. So under week 16, you'll find where it says participation, peer feedback. This is worth 5 points, so please fill this out. So what you will need to do is download the template, Health Science 202 peer feedback template.xlsx. Fill it out according to the directions, and I'll demonstrate that in a little bit. Then save the file as peer feedback dash your group name dash your last name comma first name dot slxsx. For example, if I were to do it, mine would say peer feedback dash public health group, or whatever you want to call it, dash Manalo dash Pedro comma Aaron dot xlsx. And then go ahead and upload your spreadsheet here. This is due by Friday, May 11th, 11:55 p.m. So this actually gives you a couple of days after you have to upload your final project. So what does this actually look like? So you can see here, there are directions at the top, which describe what you need to do step by step. Basically, you are going to fill out everything that is highlighted in yellow. So the first thing to do is fill out your group name. So again, whatever your group name is, put it here in B5. So again, if I were to do it, I would put public health group. Then put your name as a reviewer. Then you're going to have your two group members. So let's say that one of my group members' names is Manolo Pedro, and the other person's name is Pedro Manolo. So you will have 5 different criteria with which to evaluate them. So this column A here describes what each of the evaluation criteria are. And then for each person, you are going to indicate the degree to which you agree with that statement. So 1 would be strongly disagree, 2 would be disagree, 3 would be agree, and 4 would be strongly agree. So the total will be calculated at the bottom here, row 16. The minimum score that someone would have would be a 5, and the maximum score would be a 20. So if they were a horrible group member, 5. If they were the best group member, 20. And to help you determine that, there are the criteria here on the left. So I will read those right now. So the first criteria, dependable, does not rely on other group members to do the work. So if someone does their fair share, then they would get a 4 if you strongly agree with that statement. Or if you do not agree with that statement at all, then you would give them a 1. The next criteria is shows initiative, does not rely on other group members to remind them to do and or submit their work. The third criteria is completes assignments on time. The fourth criteria is prepares and completes quality work. And the last one is demonstrate supportive and cooperative attitude. So as you can see from this list, there's a variety of ways to evaluate someone. Some people, they are dependable, but maybe not timely, or some people are very supportive, but may give less than high quality work. So this gives you the range of options to evaluate them quantitatively. And then below this, in row 19, you will be able to provide comments for each of these group members. And again, focus it on each person. So when providing feedback, it's best to provide examples. And these are just generic because I don't really have group members for this project. But for example, for group member 1, Manolo Pedro, who only got a score of 5, I said, group member number 1 did not contribute to the group project. Even after multiple reminders, this person did not provide any suggestions to the team. They did not have a cooperative attitude. They did not attempt to meet up or respond to emails. And so you can see there are a couple of concrete examples to support this ranking. Alternatively, group member number 2 got 4s on everything. The comments are, group member number 2 was a strong team member. They provided their ideas and submitted their portion of the group project in a timely manner without any reminders. Their work was good quality. They had a positive attitude throughout the entire process. And that person warranted a 20-point score. So because there are multiple people in groups, your participation score, which again is 5 points, will be a combination of what your peers rated for you. So I will take your score and the scores that were submitted by your peers and average those out, and that will be your 5-point score. Got it? All right. So again, go ahead and upload that May 11th by 11:55 p.m. Thank you.